Yo guys, what's up? In another account here at TradeStation, closing out options. This is the options expiration week. It's Tuesday, March 16th. Markets just opened not that long ago, so gonna be trying to close some things out. You can see I got some puts that are awesome, so I'm just gonna reduce that risk, increase my buying power. $4, I can do that. Assuming it went through. If not, it's fine. I'm going to try to roll this call. I'm going to go out probably another month. See what kind of premium I can get. That's not very good. So I go out 5 weeks. That's much better. Now sometimes you can get a better premium on the off if it's not if it's on a weekly. Whoa! How did that? Mids 110. I'll take that. That's a 30% profit over the year. You just keep rolling it. View the orders. See this one, replace it if I need to. What's going on? It's 4. Should be fine. Guess I'll go to 5. No. No luck, huh? Alright, well, I'm just going to let that simmer. Oh no, see, that's better. 58 cents. That's more believable. Take a few cents off of that. I'll take 51 cents. Since I already have an extra $50 and doing a diagonal. So let that sit there. See what else we got. Cleveland Cliffs. I got a call at 15 and a half. That's not doesn't expire this week, so it's okay. Disney. You guys saw I put that trade on just a couple weeks ago. Made them pretty good. Not quite 50% yet, so I'm not going to close it just yet. Okay, no options here. Just holding on. JetBlue. Bought it at 10. 11. That's at 21 almost. Yeah, they're deep in the money. I don't think I'll be able to roll that for anything. Try, roll it. Yeah, stuff. 10 cents, not worth it. Norwegian, I got 3 of them. Wow. Alright, I mean, I made good money on them. If I have to let them go, that's fine, but let's try to roll it for a little bit. Let's go to the monthly expiration. There's usually better pricing, better spreads. So that's $1. That's acceptable. See if I can go up at all. 30? No, that's going to be too much. Yep. Alright, next trick is go the off week. See, you can go to 28 strike price. $1.16. That's better. And I get $50 more on the back end. And that's still good premium. Wow. Alright, I want to shave a few cents off there. Just to see if it'll go through. Like $300. If I can do that, be okay. Take a look at what we're gotten. Filled. US Steel still open, huh? Kind of what? Oh, they're really jewing me down here. All right. Well, I'm just gonna let it ride. I can always try it again tomorrow. All right. We'll look at JetBlue, Norwegian, SLV, Still have a bet on silver. Silver we saw earlier, 24. I'm $1 under. So I can roll it. 16 cents for a week. It's not too good. It's in the money, so see about that. 19 cents. 52 cents. I'm going 52 cents. That's a much better reduction. Let's take a look at what's that didn't execute though. Just gonna go with the natural. Get this thing done. So that's SLV. Now we're in April. I feel good about April 25. That call I just flushed. Yeah, I can't do anything with that. I can see interest rates are going up. So TBT's coming back. That's good. Long bet on interest rates. See how that works out. Okay, we got some little companies here. No oil and gas play. USDP. It's alright. Oh, Vaxart had that oral COVID-19 vaccine. It was up to like 20 bucks, and I should have sold then. Then it crashed after trial failed miserably. Alright, so that's it for this account. Alright, guys. So this is how to handle some of the options out there that you guys are in trouble with. Stay tuned and I'll help you guys do some more. Send me an IM if you have any questions or if I can help you out. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not your advisor. This is just for entertainment only. To tell you guys what I'm doing and show you how to get out of trouble if you get into trouble somehow. And hopefully I can help somebody out. Alright, so subscribe, hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel for more financial videos, how to do options trading, how to do some long-term trading. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.